Let's continue on with the comparison bar model for multiplication. Lynette spends $95 on a pair of shoes and a purse. The pair of shoes costs 4 times as much as the purse. How much does Lynette pay for the purse? So we write Lynette pays blank dollars for the purse, and that is our answer statement. And let's draw the starting line. Who or what is the problem about? Well, she spends on shoes and a purse. Let's go ahead and read carefully. The pair of shoes costs 4 times as much as the purse. So we don't know how much the purse was. And all we know is that we know the shoes cost 4 times as much. Some of you in class got this mixed up and you just drew 1 unit for the shoes and you drew 4 for the purse. You have to read very carefully that the pair of shoes cost 4 times. Okay, so be very careful that you read your problem carefully. And the total number, of course, was $95. Now let's count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again in class, some of you only counted 4. Please remember that you need to count the whole thing because both the shoes and the purse cost $95. So let's go off to the side. It's 5 units, right? So it's 95 divided by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So you can either do 50 or you can say you're going to bring down the other 5. 95 minus 50 is 45. 5 times what is 45? 9. So we have 0 remainder and we have 19. Now this, once again, listen carefully. In class, this is where many of you made another mistake. Let me get the right color here. Okay, so you found out that each unit was $19, which means this is 19, this is 19, this is 19, and this is 19, and this is 19. Boys and girls, this is your unknown number. The answer is $19. Some of you thought that you had to do 19 times 4. No, you did not, because the unknown number that we're trying to find was the cost of the purse, not the shoes. So you did not need to do that. So the answer for the purse was simply $19. Let's go ahead and do the next one. A bookshelf has 84 books on it. There are 2 times as many non-fiction books as fiction books. How many fiction books are there on the bookshelf? The answer statement is there are blank fiction. Oops, I said fictions. Fiction books, period. Let's draw the starting line. Who or what is this problem about? Well, we have NF, non-fiction books, and we have fiction books. Let's read it carefully. We're trying to find out how many fiction books there are, right? So this is our unknown. We don't know how many fiction there are, but we do know that there are 2 times as many nonfiction. How many books are there total? 84. So we need to count the units. There are 1, 2, 3 units total. So let's divide 84 divided by 3 to see how many books there are in each unit. 3 times 2 is 6 tens. 8 tenths minus 6 tenths is 2. Bring down the 4. 3 times 8 is 24. You subtract to get 0 remainders. So the answer is 28 fiction books. Once again, boys and girls, some of you wanted to say, well, there are 28 here, 28 here, so I need to add these two. No, the problem is not asking for you to find out the number of nonfiction. The problem simply wanted the fiction books. So the answer is 28.